Hi, I'm Tony Stefani with Hillside Christmas Tree Farm, and we're getting ready to use for the first time our MechMaxx SG24 stump grinder. So kind of in the middle of the field here, we have a oak tree that rooted itself. It's been here for many years. It's maybe about 13 inches in diameter, and we are going to take it out today. I cut it down, the tree, a couple years ago. Now we're going to take it down, get it out of the field, because we are right in the middle of our some planting we're going to do this year. So why don't we use this thing for the first time and see how it goes. All right, and after a little bit, here's our hole. That stump is gone. We're down, I don't know, 6-8 inches maybe. It's kind of hard on this slope for sure, but you know, I don't feel anything solid down here. So now hopefully this is actually a row right here of trees, and that stump would have probably made this row a little short by 2-3 trees. So I'm glad to get this out of here. This is oak, one of probably the hardest things that. This instance is the hardest thing that I'm ever going to grind. The rest of our stuff is all conifers for the most part. That was the main reason for buying this, was to do a couple thousand conifer stumps a year as we get into our rotation. So what we've done in the past is, you know, we haven't had to plant in land that had stumps. Last year we did, so we actually had a guy that offered a service, had this same exact unit, and it worked really well. So then we bought it ourselves, a couple, what, $1,500, $1,800 or something like that. And yeah, that's our intention. So, all right, that's it. I think I've done maybe 5 stumps, so totally an expert on this thing now, you know, for real. And yeah, next year I'll probably be several thousand. So got to do some more. I'll do another video on that, but just wanted to show you here. I'm using our bigger tractor. Definitely hydrostatic would be good for that, just because a lot of back and forth, and we'll probably set it up for the little guy as we move on. So, all right, thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts on what you do with stumps and stuff, and make it easy. Then we'll come with a rake, 3-point rake on the back, and hopefully, you know, fill this in and stuff. But yeah, hopefully we're ready to plant, and we'll be doing that shortly. All right, thanks for watching.